Ayun, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, no? So today, as you can see sa ating title, we will be reviewing, or I will be giving my thoughts about Vieux Papier, no? Of course, this is a collaboration by Sir Greg Parilla, John Greg Parilla, pambira, din natin yan, no? One of those who pioneered perfume content creation in the Philippines, and of course, with Noah Solutions, no? And the perfumer is none other than Sir Renato Lopena, the Filipino knows himself. So, panalo, solid po yung collaboration na ito, no? And yeah, I'm grateful, no? I'm humbled na isa po ako sa napili ninyo na sendan to give my thoughts dito po sa Vieux Papier before its official launch, no? Mamaya sabihin natin kung kailan yung official launch. Basahin ko lang yung, kasi may letter dito, no, ng Noah Solutions and of course ni Sir Greg, no. Basahin ko lang yung first paragraph. Sabi dito, "Dear Ralph, this is it. The Dreamer Collection by Greg Parilla is finally here." No, this is exciting. I am thrilled to share this moment with you as we launch our first original Filipino fragrance from the collection. You are among the first 50 people, maraming salamat po, I've selected to experience this before the rest of the world. You are important to me as we take this next step. So, ayan, I'm humbled. Maraming salamat po sa trust. Maraming salamat po sa confidence. No, of course, this is a privilege kasi I know na for Sir Greg malaking moment to, and to be chosen as one of those people na gusto niyang pag-sharean ng moment na yun, it's really a privilege, no? But yeah, I'm just privileged, no? I'm just humbled. Maraming salamat po Sir Greg and Noah Solutions, no? So ayun, before we proceed sa review ng scent, no, let me show to you the presentation. So presentation, this is the box, no? Pambira, napaka simple pero luxurious, no? So yeah, Vieux Papier Cedar plus Patchouli, Eau de Parfum nakalagay po dyan. So this is a 50 ml na bottle, no? And sa side nakalagay Dreamer Collection, no? Vieux Papier by Greg Parilla. Tapos sa likod, no, GP Greg Parilla, and of course manufactured by Noah Solutions, made in the Philippines. Tapos dito po sa side na to ay may pirma si Sir Greg, and by the way, this is magnetic, no? Napakalupit, napakagaling, talagang pinag-isipan. Kudos po sa gumawa ng box, no, sa creative team, no? And of course, may personal letter si Sir Greg dito. Hindi na natin babasahin lahat, no? But yeah, basically this is him thanking the community, thanking those who will buy, who will try the product, and of course he's telling to us na ito yung dream niya, no? And may pirma siya dito, and the fragrance notes na mamaya babasahin din natin. So yeah, that's the box, no? And this is the bottle, no? Very simple lang, no? Sa malayo na kong pagkakita sa kanya, para siyang, it's slightly reminiscent of Matte Premier, no? Pero of course mas malapad yung Matte Premier, no? And mas malapad din yung kanyang cap, no? So yeah, the sticker, no? And GP Cedar plus Patchouli Eau de Parfum, again, no? This is a 50 ml bottle, no? And ayun, naalala ko lang, no, medyo reminiscent siya of Rania J's bottle, no? So may similarity sila, no? So sorry guys, no, sakit po kasi ako ngayon, so I do apologize pag from time to time, no, medyo may shortness of breath. But yeah, Vieux Papier by Sir Greg Parilla, no? Again, this is created by the Filipino knows himself, no, Sir Renato Lopena, no? And you would know, no, sa perfumer pa lang na alam mong panalo to, alam mong solid ito. And tatlo po ito, no? Tatlo siya from, again, no, the Dreamer Collection. And I believe, no, this represents the current Greg, no? Excuse me. This represents the current Greg, no? This Vieux Papier, this first release among the three represents the current Greg. And from what I understand, no, merong representation ng kanyang past at may representation ng kanyang future. So, this will be the first release and hintayin na lang po natin yung release ng mga next, no? So, really exciting, no? And saan to inspire? This is inspired, no, from Greg's old money aesthetic, no? Actually, vieux papier means old paper or old money, no? Or yung style, no, where we are also reminded of the saying, money talks, wealth whispers, no? So that basically means or represents quiet luxury, no, and or wealth, no, not shown in extravagance or showing off, no, or being loud, no, about your wealth, no, about or yun nga, in extravagance, no, but you show na you have wealth, no, na yung true wealth, it is shown in your discreetness, in humility, in poise, no, in timelessness and simplicity. So alam naman natin, no, isa yan actually sa impression ko kay Greg Parilla, no, na nung una ko siyang nakita late 2021 sa via YouTube, no, yun yung impression ko sa kanya, he is elegant, no, pero hindi extravagant, hindi siya show off, no. Napaka-humble na person. Well, hindi ko pa siya na-meet talaga in person, pero marami na ring times na na-contact ko siya, no, and yan din yung comment ng karamihan na he's a humble guy, no, and yun nga, that basically speaks not only of Greg's passion but also his personality. Excuse me. So, yeah, it's having wealth and elegance, pero you are discreet and refined. So, parang ganun, no? And I'll show you the notes, no? The top notes, nakalagay dito, bergamot, rosemary, juniper berries, and the middle notes are lavender, cinnamon, and the base notes are patchouli, cedar, vetiver, oak moss, and suede, no? So, ayun, for your information, FYI lang guys, meron siya actually paper bill accord or yung pag-mimic nung smell ng freshly withdrawn paper bills, no? So, it's really clever, no? Nung narinig ko yun or nung nakita ko yun, no? Sabi ko, paano kaya gagawin ni sir natin? But yeah, anyway, yun yung kanyang accord, no? By accord, it means na wala talaga siya doon, it's an accord, no? It's an interpretation, it's mimicking a smell, no? So, yeah, how does it smell? For me, it opens up fresh, bright, piney, slightly minty, and slightly citrusy. So, it's sharp, no? So, makikita mo yun, maamoy mo yun sa opening. Then, it goes floral and slightly soapy and green. Pero you also start to get a more pronounced woodiness. Then konting powdery sweetness and warmth, most probably from, of course, may cinnamon note yan. We know na warm spice yung cinnamon. Then after hours, no, you'd get a more defined earthiness, no? Woodiness, dry citrus, parang siyang dry na citrus, actually, parang siyang dry na grass, no? With a soft leather that remains lang in the background, no? And siguro yung paper bill accord nito, no, siguro it's the woody, soapy, and soft leather combination, no? Parang yun yung theory ko about that, no? Kaya siguro may cedar, may vetiver, no, and of course yung suede and everything else, no? Siguro yun yung nagmimimic nung paper bill accord, no? And it is mostly yung scent profile niya for me, this is mostly woody, aromatic, no? Pero para siyang may pagka-fougere, no? Yung fougere kasi, of course, the florals and everything else, pero most probably, no, if it's a fougere, no, may lavender and oak moss to name a few, para siyang fougere, no? Pero it does not go fully fougere, no? If that makes sense, no? For me personally, I can categorize this one na para siyang, paano ba? Woody, aromatic fougere, no? If there's such a genre. Pero I can categorize this with some perfumes. So, halimbawa, bigyan ko yung example, no? Ang naisip ko sa Vieux Papier, I'm not saying na kaamoy nila, no? But definitely in the same vein, no. Bawa yung Azzaro For Homme Intense, no. Hindi siya yung For Homme kasi yun straight up barbershop na scent, no, pero or at the barbers ng Maison Margiela, yun mga straight up fougere yun eh. Pero yun nga, hindi siya ganun, no. Azzaro For Homme Intense, it's a woody aromatic with fougere tendencies, no. And isa pa na naisip ko, this is called Sunshine Man by Amouage, no. Para siya may pagkaganon eh. This has lavender in it, no, and other characteristics na maisip mo na o nga para siyang fougere, no. Pero this is woody aromatic for me na may fougere tendencies, no. So yeah, that's the scent profile basically, no, ng Vieux Papier. And the performance for me, longevity is excellent, no, and projection is above average, lalo sa first R, no. Meron kang scent trail, meron kang scent bubble din eh. Hindi siya in your face, no. Hindi siya beast mode, no. Baka kasi nag-expect kayo na baka beast mode yan. Hindi po siya beast mode, no. Pero definitely may presence ka, may aura ka without showing off. Again, no, the inspiration of Sir Greg na quiet luxury, no. Money Talks, Wealth Whispers, no. So yeah, basically ganun yung performance niya sa akin. And versatility. For me, it's versatile, no. Pero I have seen reviews, no, ng mga naka-receive na rin po nito na parang hindi daw siya pwedeng magamit sa certain season, no. Pero for me, it's versatile. No, that's how I experience it, no. It's versatile, no, pero you have to try it for me sa mainit at sa malamig, no, kasi pag sa mainit mas na-highlight yung green facets niya, no. Yun yung maganda, yung cedar, yung vetiver, no, mas na-highlight siya eh. Pero pag malamig mas na-highlight yung leather, yung suede, at yung warm spices niya, no, sa cold environment. So you have to try it sa both na weather, no. And age, for me, this is a more masculine leaning frag, no. Of course, no, we do away with genders, no, lalo sa perfumes. Pero for me, this leans more masculine, no. And para siyang for, I can imagine this, no, being worn by a 30 years old and above na guy, no. And of course, try to imagine the aesthetic of Sir Greg Parilla. Para siyang may slight vintage feels to it na you get from, halimbawa, no, bigyan ko yung example, yung parang nung naamoy ko to, nung nagamit ko to, parang yung feels niya sa akin is every time I also wear Aramis cologne, no, ng, of course, Aramis, no, this is a 1966 perfume, and of course also Antaeus For Homme ng Chanel, no. So parang ganun yung vibes niya sa akin. Again, I'm not saying na Vieux Papier smells Aramis or smells like Aramis or Antaeus, pero ganun yung feels niya sa akin eh. Of course, Aramis and Antaeus, malakas yan eh. It's in your face, no, pero not Vieux Papier, no. So ayun guys, the price is 1,500 for the 50 ml bottle. That will also be available once it is launched sa Lazada, sa Shopee, sa TikTok Shop, no. And of course, the launch, no, will be on November 8, pero I believe may pre-launch siya. So wait na lang natin yung details from Sir Greg and of course Noah Solutions. So ayun guys, no, Vieux Papier Old Money by Greg Parilla, Noah Solutions and their team, and of course by Sir Renato Lopena. Guys, you have to try this one, no. This is a ano, paano ba? Ito po ay isang stepping stone natin, no, locally, no. And of course, proud tayo na nakikita natin na lalo most recently na nag-stand out yung mga local brands, no. Sense and Style, Parfums Astro, The Boar Grooming, no, of course Ren Atelier, no, and whatnots, no. And yeah, I'm just so proud, no. And nakita nyo ba yung post ni Sir Greg, no, na pinatry niya na din sa Dubai, no? He's in a fragrance expo sa Dubai. Na-try nila Redolescence, no? Etc. No? So, naka-proud lang, no? Naka-proud lang yung View Papi, no? So, ayun guys, no? You should definitely get your nose dito sa View Papi. And again, no? Maraming salamat po, Sir Greg. Maraming salamat po, Noah Solutions. Maraming salamat po, Sir Renato Lopena. And yun lang guys, no? If you find this interesting, you find this helpful, please do consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Maraming salamat po at ingat po kayo.